Viewers, we have breaking news coming in right now. Bangladesh has set December 3rd as the date for a bail hearing of Hindu seer Chinmoy Krishna, who has been arrested last week on sedition charges in Bangladesh. So the court is all set to hear the plea of Chinmoy Krishna on the 3rd of December. That's the big breaking news we have right now, viewers. Tuesday is the day when the bail hearing will take place in Bangladesh court. And the announcement of the hearing date was delayed due to a lawyer's boycott and work abstention on Wednesday and Thursday, as reported by Bangladesh media, Bangladeshi publications. Now, what we know is that the Metropolitan Sessions Judge Mohammad Saiful Islam will preside over the hearing. And Chinmoy Krishna, who has been a spokesperson for Bangladesh Sammilita Sanatani Jagran Jyote, was arrested at Dhaka's Hazrat Shah Jawaharlal International Airport on the 27th of November, viewers. And since then, he has been behind the bars, and arrest stemmed from a sedition case filed on the 30th of October, accusing him and some others of hoisting a saffron flag above the Bangladeshi national flag during a rally in Chattogram. And there has been massive outrage, viewers, on that. And my colleague Kisholai joins us on the broadcast. For more, Kisholai, bail plea will be heard on Tuesday. All right, I'm told that Kisholai will be connected in just a few seconds from now. But that's the breaking news we have. But remember, his bail plea has been rejected once. And there is, we do not know how much to hope from the court once again, because remember, this comes after two more, his ISKCON devotees have been arrested in Bangladesh. So, yes, this is the latest update, indeed, from the courts in Bangladesh. 3rd of December is the day set for the hearing of the bail petition of Chinmoy Krishna Das Prabhu. And remember, there have been a rise in attacks targeting of minorities. Two more Hindu devotees have been arrested after Chinmoy Prabhu Das's arrest in Bangladesh. And of course, there is a chorus for his release. There have been protests in, of course, India and across the globe. ISKCON, the organization, ISKCON temples across, the devotees of ISKCON, the priests of ISKCON have all spoken out against what has been happening in Bangladesh. It's a widespread outrage has been triggered, viewers. Hindu community and the rights group demanding Chinmoy Das's immediate release. Two more ISKCON priests, Adi Purusham Das, Ranganath Das, have been also arrested. Kisholai joins us on the broadcast. Kisholai, important update coming in. Hearing on bail plea of Chinmoy Prabhu will be held on Tuesday.
Well, exactly. It has been pushed back. It has been pushed to Tuesday, 3rd. But the question is right now, very important question is, who will take part in that hearing? Who will be taking the side of Chinmoy Krishna Prabhu and appear in the court? Because all the 51 lawyers who have been appearing for Chinmoy Krishna Prabhu have been attacked. At one hand, chambers have been vandalized, and also they have been slapped with false charges. All of them, all the lawyers who are in favor of Chinmoy Krishna Prabhu at Chittagong court were attacked. Their chambers was vandalized. One of them is fighting for his life in the hospital. On the other charges, false charges have been slapped on them. So what remains? Cases come up at court, but if such a situation of crackdown on all the Hindu lawyers continue, how will this thing happen? And who will argue in favor of Chinmoy Prabhu is question remains.
All right, Kisholai, thanks so much for joining us with those details. In fact, my colleague Arth Agrawal is also joining us live on the broadcast from the newsroom. Arth, how much can we really hope from this bail hearing that is all set to take place on the 3rd of December, given the fact that two more ISKCON priests, Adi Purusham Das and also Ranganath Das, have been arrested on Friday?
Well, Rakshita, it looks very uncertain. The details of this particular hearing it looks very uncertain, because we saw how a week back Chinmoy Das Prabhu was arrested from a Dhaka court on charges of sedition, and then his bail plea was already rejected, which sparked massive protests all across Bangladesh, from Chattogram, from Dhaka, leading to massive unrest in all corners of Bangladesh, and not only in Bangladesh, also in India. But the legal remedy now, it looks really uncertain, because we saw how Chinmoy Das Prabhu was not even been given food at certain instances. And rightly mentioned, Rakshita, how 2 of his disciples, how 2 of his assistants were also arrested while providing food to Chinmoy Das Prabhu. So the legal remedy ahead of this looks really, really uncertain, Rakshita. What will happen under UNICEF Bangladesh, what the courts will decide, because we are clearly seeing legal voices in Bangladesh. For example, the Attorney General of Bangladesh, he voiced his call for placing a ban on the ISKCON. So it really looks like the radicals are getting a free pass, not only in elements of governance, but also in terms of legal and judicial matters. Back to the studio, Rakshita, as it looks uncertain what will happen to Chinmoy Das Prabhu's bail plea.